Pradeep's Mathematics. Doubt disappears after single watch. Teacher's first choice. Pradeep's Mathematics. Never ever seen super tricks. Never ever seen super tricks.
Hello my commandos, thank you all for your love, affection and support. Hope you will continue the same with me. Your love and affection inspired me a lot and I am able to make videos for upcoming annual exam. You are welcome to Mason 90 plus those who are now going to appear annual exam 2021. In this video I will discuss about the very short question, 1 mark question of previous year questions, previous year annual exam questions. In this video this will help support you, this will help you because you can know what type of questions you can find in the upcoming exams. My dear commandos, those who are not still subscribing on my channel, you are requested to subscribe, like and share my videos because this channel becomes power pack of never ever seen super tricks. So this will help you a lot. And just inform all friends, those who are appearing CHSE, CBSE and all board exams, please subscribe and share to your friends, then you can find the different questions for your annual exam 2021. In this video I will discuss some short questions, very short questions. The first question is my determinant is given a and you have to find negative of a. That means you have to multiply -1 in any one row or any one column. And the next question is which is a unit matrix. Which is an unit matrix is very simple question. Unit matrix means the diagonal elements should be 1 and the other elements should be 0. The answer is given. The matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is an unit matrix. Then is the rectify the mistake. That means in the question is matrix product is commutative and associative, but the answer is matrix product is not commutative in general but is associative. There is question number 4 also. It's given find A inverse. As you know, A inverse is adjoint A by determinant A and the determinant A should not be equal to 0. This is the question number 95, and before question number 3 was of 94, then it was question number 2 was of 93 question, and these are the previous year questions. And next is question number 5. Question number 5 is given fill in the blanks where the product of matrix A and A inverse is a dash matrix, and the answer is the product of a matrix A and A inverse is a unit matrix and which is in the year of 96. Question number 6 is multiplication of two matrices always commutative, and the answer is a multiplication of two matrices is not always commutative, and this is in year 96. Then question number 7, a matrix is given 2 cross 2 non-singular and a determinant A is given. You have to find A into adjoint A. This is one of the important question. As you know, A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I, and that is equal to determinant A is equal to half into the I matrix, as you know, unity matrix of second order, and this is a second order square matrix which is 1 by 2 0 0 1 by 2. And this question arises in many times in the previous years. That is this particular question was in the year of 96. Very short question, and here the value of a determinant A is given as 2 3 like this. Separately you can find the different answers. And next is question number 8 is given two linear equations in two variables, and the question is to find to represent in matrix form. As you know, A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable, and constants are the -2 and 4. And then the matrix, as you know, the answer is given. This was the question number 97. Then is question number 9, and the question 9 is when a matrix product AB and BA are defined, the answer is if A is of order of m cross n and B is of order n cross n, then both AB and BA are defined. And now the last question is question number 12, and question number 12 is also one of the easy question. A plus B is given and B is given, and what is A plus B if A and B are given? Very easy question. And question 13 is also one of the easiest question. Question 12 was in 99 question. Question 13 Give an example of a unit matrix. Very easy question. Unit matrix. This is in question number 99, and question number 14 is also given the product of two matrices is one another matrix to find x and y simply. And there is question number 15. Question 15 is to find the order of A is here 3 cross 1 by simply applying the product rule. Order of a matrix can be evaluated. This is question for 2010. And the next is question number 16. To find a matrix which when added with one matrix to give another matrix, simply subtracting when I get the answer. 17 question on each of question which was a question for 2015 and simple question. Then is question number 18. And question 18 was of question what it was the question about year 2016 question. And A is a matrix given, B is a matrix given, to find A transpose B into B transpose A. And these are two important questions, and also easiest one. 19 question 19 is also the question for 2017, and question 20 was a question for 2002, and that given to find whether the inverse exists or not. Simply find the determinant. If it is singular, then the determinant value is 0, so the inverse does not exist. And in this case here the determinant is 0, so A inverse does not exist. And this is the question of 2002. And next is question 21, where define a scalar matrix is just question. Simply we have to write the definition. 22 is to find what is the order of A and A transpose is one of the easiest question, you know. And 23 is also is simply you have to subtract and solve to find the value of x, y, as you know is given. And then is question number 24, and in question 24 is the matrix invertible. We have to test the determinant. Then is question 25, what is the transpose, easiest question. And there is 26, determinant A is equal to transpose of determinant of transpose where A is a square matrix. Yes, it is true, as you know. It's very important property of a determinant. The determinant value of a square matrix is equal to the determinant of its transpose, so it's true. And next is question number 27. 27 is to find the inverse unity matrix. The inverse is itself the unity matrix. And 28, different diagonal matrix is you have to write the definition. And in the question 29 you have to find the product. One is 1 cross 3 matrix, another is 3 cross 1 matrix. If you multiply, then you will get a 1 cross 1 matrix. The answer is the 1 cross 1 matrix, and which element is 14. Here are given some important questions where 30 is defined the adjoint matrix, and then is how many entries in a matrix of order P cross Q, that means the number of elements is PQ. And then is what is the order of the matrix, and simply apply the condition of a product, then you can find. Then is 33 also one of the easiest question, to whether A into transpose of A into B is equal to B transpose into A transpose is rightly true. This is the property. And when the matrix product A B is defined, as you know the definition of our you can apply the condition of a product to find the answer. Then 35, A into adjoint A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. Just before some time I was discussing about this question. And then is 36. 36 is also one question, right? The matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric, and the answer should be the zero matrix, one of the important question. 37 is A into B are A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA, and the AB minus BA is skew symmetric. So these are the important questions what I have discussed. Now the next question is question number 38, and question 38, as you know, given A and B and AB are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA, the answer is zero matrix. And 39 is A is a square matrix there, and determinant value of A is 3, then what is the value of A, determinant of A into A transpose A, and this is the square, that is 9, and reason is given. And next is question of 40, A is a square matrix of order 3, determinant is 8, and what is the value of determinant of 2 into A, so the answer is given. And next is 41 and 42 are also the two important questions, and these are the different questions of research question part or 1 mark question of this session. Next we discuss about the some important questions of this unit. Some other questions now are answer the following questions. We write the value of this determinant, and then the in second and third question are the simply applying the properties you can find the answer. If every element of a third order matrix of a determinant having value 8 is divided by 2, Then what is the value of the resulting determinant is you simply apply the properties. When you multiply a number with every element, then the in third order, then the determinant value will be increased by 2 to the power 3 if 2 is multiplied, and by similar property here the determinant value is 8, so you have to apply the same. And also the third question is regarding the cofactor and minor, so you can solve this. And next is the fourth and fifth, if each element of a determinant third order is multiplied by k, then how many times the value of the determinant will be multiplied, that means this will be kq. And next one is very easy question. You can find the value by creating two zeros, because in third column all elements are 1. Next question is question 2. A determinant is given 0 to find the value of x, and 3 also like this. And condition of equality, 4 is to find the value of x, where the determinant is given 4, and 5 is same. And these are the questions, important questions of this session. Question number 6 is given find x, where determinant square is given 3 to 1 x minus x 3 minus 1. Simply solve. And question number 7 is to find x and y. Multiply first two matrix equal to the third, and you will get two linear equations, and then you can find the value of x and y. And question number 8, matrix multiplication is commutative and associative. This question was just discussed before some time, then you can find the value what I have discussed previously. In question number 9, you have to show the condition. Question number 10, a and b are given, and to find ab, to find the ab and its order. Question 11 is also same question. A matrix is given of third 3 cross 4, b is given 4 cross 3. Then find the number of elements of ab, find the product and find the elements, and then is 12. If A is a square matrix and determinant A is 0, find a determinant of A inverse is question. And question 13, 14, 15 are very important questions for upcoming exam. All these questions what I am discussing now in this session are important questions for upcoming exam 2021. These questions are of 1 mark and a very short question section, and you have to answer all these questions. If you are unable to find the answers, then you can contact me for its solution, and also you can join in my Telegram group so that I can know your different difficulties, different doubts, so that I can be able to solve your doubts in next video, or I may take a live class for the doubts also. Today 4 to 7 in the Telegram group you can post your doubts, so that we can take live class on coming Sunday. Thank you all, thank you all, thank you all.